Hmm. And
So
is it typical for, chicken producers to use data analytics in their company, or are you guys just the smartest chicken out there?
uh, forecasting sales and process like we do to the actual unit to the actual customer. No, we're probably one of the first ones to do it. And part of that is some of these we're at 20 years old. We didn't have systems in place, and all these old systems in place that make it tough to forecast.
Yeah.
So we were able to take that data and with Click's help and Data Robot's help, and kind of manage that process because we didn't have bad data or dirty data.
Yeah.
It was pretty clean. So we're able to get to these points, and it wasn't easy. It hasn't been easy, but once you get there, it's been very productive for us. So we're probably pretty unique in how we forecast. I know we're pretty unique in how we forecast across the industry, and it's just tough for other people to do because it just takes time. You got to have the patience to get there.
Yeah, I think it's an inspiring story, especially when you take into consideration that there are so many tech companies that I would say are still not utilizing analytics to as much as they can be utilizing them. Did you have any issues in terms of data literacy and trying to make sure that everyone, or the people who use that data, are data literate and understand how all that works, like Click and Data Robot?
It, yeah, it's just like any company, no matter what size, you got to get wins. So you got to pick the wins off where you can get a victory, and then over time, now we don't have an issue. Just like everybody else, there's issues. People don't think that you're trying to sabotage their job because you got this new data. So
Yes.
there's issues like that, but if we fortunately over time people accepted it and knew the information was accurate, and so we don't have that problem anymore. But um, it took using a good BI dashboard and then you're showing accuracy and how you're forecasting what you're doing, and it took time to get those wins. But once you get there, the company runs really well, and we continue to uh, have good financial numbers, better and better all the time because we live by it. And, it's helped us a lot.
Does that mean your budget's going up next year, Scott?
Yeah, we're still in a COVID environment, so you got
right.
there's some unknowns out there that we still don't know.